Hello student, I'm here to help you everyone. Really I'm very excited to help you because today I got a comment by the student side. Sir, make some numerical video which is based on kinematics. So I have already shoot one video on kinematics. So now I'm going to tell you another video which is also based on what basically kinematics. Right. So basically now I'm going to take a numerical problem based on kinematics in one dimensions, not in two dimensions. That is what basically projectile motion. So student, basically this is the question. This is a problem based on tower. Student, this is problem based on tower. Okay, so what is the question? This is the height of the tower h, which is equals to 40 meter, right? Particles is drop, or you can see release in downward directions 10 meter per second. So what is your questions? Basically you have to find time to hit the ground. This is an easy question. Find time to hit the ground. Means how much time will take by the particles of the speed 10 meter per second to hit the ground. Particles को कितना time लगेगा grounds को heat करने के लिए, right? So what is the question? I'm going to solve this question step by step. So this is step number 1. The student always, this is what you can say how to solve questions in physics. देखो, this is a general method. This is a general things which you can apply always in every question, not in physics, chemistry, mathematics. This is applicable in all. First, read out the questions carefully. Next, you can keep it out, which is already given in the questions, right? Step number 2. Step number 3, think in your mind immediate which formula is applicable for a particular questions, right? So this is step number 1. I'm going to follow same step जो कि मैंने कर रखा हूँ बच्चा. दिस इज वॉट हाइट हमें गिवन है h इज इक्वल्स टू बेसिकली 40 मीटर, u इज वॉट बेसिकली -10 मीटर पर सेकेंड, राइट. स्टूडेंट यूजुअली बच्चे गलती क्या करते हैं, दिस इज वॉट कि जो 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड है ना, इसको वो काउंट ही नहीं करते. उनको हाइट ऑफ टावर देखा, वो भाई साहब लग गए अपने फट से पी के. कहाँ पे वो कहानी, वो वी स्क्वायर अपन ने तो बता रखा है ना सर, टी इज इक्वल्स टू √2h/g. स्टूडेंट दिस इज नॉट अप्लीकेबल हेयर बिकॉज वो काइनेमेटिक्स इन 1D के शॉर्ट में वीडियो में आपको ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ. दिस इज अप्लीकेबल व्हेन u इज 0, बट यू कैन सी हेयर u इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0. सो नाउ यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर टाइम. I have already said with you in the kinematics in one short video. You can go and watch. I have already mentioned. You can go back in the playlist and find out kinematics in 1D short by physics point BK sir. Right? So this is what time के लिए already you can use s is equals to ut plus half at square. Right? So now I am going to apply step number 2. This is what for time के लिए you can always use s is equals to ut plus half of at square, right? So what is s? S is what? Again, this is a markable point you can adopt. Projection point is always. This is the mandatory conditions to solve any questions in the projectile, in the kinematics in 1D. कि projection point is always consider origin. Same funda. If this is the origins, upper part of the origin is positive, right part of the origin is positive, left part of the origin is negative, bottom part of the origin is negative. So student, s is what? Basically -40, right? So this is -40, u is what? -10 into t. Acceleration a considering here, that is -10 meter per second square. So -1/2 into 10 into what? Basically t square. 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 8s are 40. Minus minus cancel each other. So this is what 8 is equals to 2t plus you can say t square, right? So basically you can say t square plus 2t minus 8 which is equals to 0. You can find out t by the middle term splitting method, or s is equals to basically formula x is equals to u minus b plus minus d under root by 2a. So I am going to use here basically formula s is equals x is equals to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2 into a, right? To take a screenshot, if you have any doubt, there is an option. All of you very smart, right? Comment in the comment box. I'll see and back to you soon as possible. So take a screenshot. Done. Good. So now I'm going to solve basically equations, and I want to find time, which is a requirement in the questions. So t square minus plus 2t minus 8 which is equals to 0. So t is equals to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a, right? So basically v is what you can equate these equations: ax square plus bx plus c. So a is what basically 1, x square is equals to t square, b is what basically 2. So this is t is equals to minus 2 plus minus d is what d, basically b square minus 4ac. So this is what b square, this is 2 to the 4 minus 4a is equals to what basically 1. A is what basically coefficient of t square, b is what basically coefficient of t, and c is equals to what basically minus 8. So this is, and c is what basically minus 8 upon 2 into 1 a. So t is equals to student minus 2 plus minus d. This is 4 and 4 8s are 32 minus becomes, this is positive 32 upon 2. So finally you can solve and get the answer of these questions. Minus 2 and 36. This is what minus 2 plus minus 36 ka square root is 6 basically upon 2. So you can use the result t is equals to minus 2 plus 6 by 2, and next t is equals to minus 2 minus 6 by 2. So this will become t is equals to minus 8 and seconds. Student, time is never in negative. Time is never in negative. So this is was 6 minus 2 basically 4 by 2. So your answer is correct. T is equals to 2 seconds. So this is a very easy questions. You can solve the questions carefully. This point is what mandatory to know. Always in the questions you can consider projection point is origin. This will help you check sign conventions like S, U, G, H as well, right? So bye bye student, meet you soon in the next video.